My name is Tanu, and I purchased lecture from Lecturewala from faculty SPC, and I have very good experience. I have an issue. Then technical team resolved this issue very easily, and thank you very much for resolving this issue. And now I'm able to see my lecture easily. Thank you so much, Lecturewala, for providing me these lectures. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Shreya Agrawal and I had purchased my lectures of CA Intergroup 1 from Lecturewala. Their services were very good. They helped me a lot in the purchase of my lecture, and their technical team is also very good. They also helped me in starting my lectures. I had faced a lot of issues in starting my lectures, so their technical team is also very good. And thank you so much.
I am Khati Mutha. I have taken classes from Lecturewala. As I am CA Inter student, I would refer you all to take classes from Lecturewala. That is, whether you are the student of CA, CS or CMF. Lecturewala provides all these subjects lectures within very minimal charges, and if you face any technical issue, they will solve within minutes. Thank you so much.
I'm Rina Nimje. I'm CS professional. मैंने लेक्चर वाला से CS प्रोफेशनल का एडवांस टैक्स परचेज किया था एंड इट्स द टीम ऑफ लेक्चर वाला इज़ वेरी नाइस, दे सपोर्टिव एंड अब जब भी मुझे कोई क्वेरी आती थी वो लोग एकदम क्विक रिस्पॉन्स करते हैं. अब आपने अगर से उनको कुछ भी उनको पिंग किया तो वो इजी बहुत सपोर्टिव है. तो मैं यही बोलूँगी सबको कि आपको अगर से ऑनलाइन क्लासेस लेना हो तो गो थ्रू विथ लेक्चर वाला. थैंक यू सो मच.